Hello guys, so ngayon gagawa tayo ng fridge haul. So this is the second time. So let's do this again. So ito ang fridge. Kikita niyo yan, ganyan. So mas maliit ako sa fridge. Ayan, pababa. May mga something dyan. Dikit ng aking Timmy. So let's do this. Buksan na natin. Freezer muna tayo. Freezer. Wala kaming ilaw sa freezer. So, yes. So, ito, meron tayong steak. Pero yung tin siya, parang pangtapa. Yan yung steak. Siguro mga 2 to 3 pounds. Meron kaming, bone. Bone siya. Binibili namin siya, nilalaga namin siya para at least, nilaga namin, tapos i-fridge namin. Tapos makikita nyo yung fats is nasa taas. So, i-scrape nyo ng spoon or ng spoon. Tapos yung sa baba nun, yun yung tinatawag nating collagen. Yun yung healthy for us. Na very healthy sa atin kasi lahat ng nutrients ng ang animal na bones ay napupunta sa atin. Very healthy. I just had a research for that. So, yeah. So, ito tayo. Ikot ako. So, this one, we have chicken. Ito, burger patty. Burger patty yan. Oh, madulas. Tapos, ito. Burger patty. Yan. Ito, homemade fruit smoothies. Popsicles. I mean, this one is frozen banana. Kasi nag-green juice kami. So, yan. Meron kami malunggay. Yan, yung malunggay tree. Meron kami malunggay tree sa garden. Nangyari, na na siya, nung sobrang hangin, bumaksak. So, kinakailangan ko din namin dahil so, pinifreeze ko lang siya. Kasi sayang naman, diba? So, yung malunggay tree namin, ewan ko kung tutubo pa yun. Meron akong ground beef here. Sandwich ice cream kay Timmy. Meron pa rin akong fudge ice cream, 2. Tapos, the rest is frozen siomai. Meron chicken. 2 tray ng chicken. And this one, beef bone steaks yan, bone steaks. This one, merong langka, ayan. Then we have a lot of this, pero hindi masyado kami kumakain yan. Merong parang siopaw siya, yan, ay dumplings pala, sorry, dumplings. So sarado natin siya. Okay, dito tayo sa kabila. Dito muna tayo sa ating sa door muna. So, meron kaming cheese. We have butter. We have cheddar cheese shredded. Tapos, dito yung mga condiments. Yan. Then, condiments again. As you can see, mayo, parmesan cheese, ketchup, mustard, ranch. And this one, pwede mo siya isok sa yung meat, usually beef. So, i-marinate mo siya, masarap na siya, and then grill mo siya. And then we have mango juice. So, si Timmy, mahilig sa juice, pero hindi namin siya masyadong binibigyan. Once in a while lang. Let's say, once a week. And then, dinidilute namin ng water. Kasi, syempre, ang bata, nako, pag nasanay sa juice, yung taste bud niya, matamis na lagi, gaya ko. So, yeah. Para mas madali siyang uminom ng tubig kaysa sa mga sweets na juices. Yan. So, meron kaming guava nectar. May Ensure. Merong coconut water here. Yan. Baba. Tayo. So, merong gatas si Timmy. May boiled egg, mango, kiwi. May green smoothie, pure organic. And then this one, yung ginagawa kong green smoothie, nilagay ko yan sa bottle. Merong steak. Merong fruit. We have apples in this container. My Yakult there. And lots of yogurt. Pumpkin bread. Yogurt. And then lots of milk. So, meron kaming coconut milk. Yan, siguro mga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coconut milk. Ay, 5 pa lang coconut milk. Isang rice milk. They say it's healthy. Isang dark chocolate almond milk. Chocolate almond milk. Leftover Pinoy spaghetti. Meron akong video niyan. Tingnan niyo sa aking channel. We have rice, leftover rice. I have squash here. Squash, hindi ko siya bubuksan. And we have a dozen of eggs. Then next, we have 2% milk. Ayan. I have 2% milk here. Ito, I don't know what's that. It's like fermented something. That's from my husband. And this one is veggies leftover. We have cilantro, pang nilagay ko yun sa aming green juice. Leftover meat sa husband ko. Tomatoes, Filipino food from my mom. And this one, bread, we have bread. And you know, for burger patties, ones. We have bitter melon, palaya. Next is meron kami grapes. Actually, dalawa to, ubos na yung isa. Apples. Ayan, most of the time, pinipili namin kumain ng maraming prutas than mga chips or sweets kasi it's healthier for you. We have oranges, we have, what's this? This is small cabbage eh. Pagkat apples, yeah, mango. We have kiwi. Apple again. And ito siya dyan. Then this is, we have spinach, mushroom. We have upo, carrots, and one potato down there. And we have eggplant. Tapos, nakalimutan ko pala. Ito, we have, like, I think this is ham. We have cheese. Sandwich ng asawa ko. More cheese. Natin dyan. Yan, bumili kami ng mga ganito. String cheese. Yan, kasi nagiging timi sa cheese. Onions, leftover onions. And then we have bacon still that they have to cook. And what's this? Preserved with mustard. And we have flour tortillas. Yeah. Tapos hibe. May hibe dito. Yan. So, lagyan natin siya ulit. Balik natin siya. Yan. Ayun guys, yung laman ng aming fridge for now. At idalaglag namin itong pansit. Kakaluto lang ng pansit. Kasi gusto na mama ko ng pansit. Yeah. So, yun guys. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. And sana nagustuhan niyo yung video ko. And kung may request kayo, just comment down below. Thanks guys for watching. Bye-bye!